Good afternoon, everyone. This is Narendra Reddy Kandimalla from DITE Nalgonda. So I'm privileged to host this webinar. For the past 1 month, we have been conducting online classes to our students, student teachers of DITE Nalgonda on various topics of ICT. So in that process, we plan to conduct a webinar so that our students will be exposed to this statewide webinar. So we are going to conduct this webinar on this occasion. For this, we have extended our services to our fellow teachers of Nalgonda district, our ELTA members. Even I have seen some of our ELTA friends are participating in this. They are from other districts too. Now I would like to invite Mr. Banu Prakash Gaud, my colleague at ELTC DITE Nalgonda, to introduce today's speaker, our guest, Dr. Ravi Kumar Kola. Over to Banu Prakash. Banu Prakash, please unmute your audio. Banu Prakash.
Hi Narendra, thank you. Hi Narendra, thank you. Are you able to listen to me?
Yeah.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce today's webinar presenter, the stalwart of English language teaching and ICT trainer, Dr. Ravi Kumar Kola, SA English, School Assistant English from Warangal. He is associated with all the pedagogical development activities of ELTA, Telangana, and participated in most important programs of CLICS program of TIS and done essential massive online courses of various foreign universities in both ELTA and ICT. He has been a super mentor for ELPCC, English Language Proficiency Certificate course of SCRT and Ajim Prem University. He is constantly practicing ICT in his classroom and had a rich experience with you. Let us go with the session with the presenter. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Banu Prakash sir. Really, I feel very happy. And actually, Narendra Reddy sir asked to take a class for his students. I don't know. Later he invited. Okay.
You're welcome, sir.
Sir, can you see the screen?
Yeah, perfectly.
Okay. So thank you all for joining. So today my topic is working with the Kaggle, a mind mapping tool. So agenda is what is the need of mind mapping, why Kaggle, and working with Kaggle and creating mind maps for our classrooms. These are the things which I want to tell why mind mapping is useful. So it is a study technique in which information from a variety of sources is converted into a diagrammatic representation of the important keywords associated with the topic. So mind mapping enhances the learning capacity in terms of number of ideas generated as well as improves writing focus. So we are all struggling making our students to write. So this is the skill which is facing major hindrances in the classroom. So certainly this mind mapping technique will help us to improve the writing focus. And next, it starts with one or more central topics, then repeatedly branches out, breaking down information into hierarchy of its components. Mind maps are useful for anyone to plan, take notes, visualize information, brainstorm, solve problems, study and share information. So uses of mind mapping in classrooms. So it's helpful to plan and organize, supports effective teaching, boosts the memory of the students, it fosters creativity among the students, enhances presentation skills, promotes group collaboration, improves writing skills, encourages critical thinking and problem solving of the students. So here, the question is, why I am using Kaggle? There are so many softwares available, but what is the reason behind that? I have taken different type of mind mapping tools over here. First one is this FreeMind. So this FreeMind is it can be worked only with the software like Windows, Mac or Linux on the desktop. And by using this, we can create maps, charts, diagrams, and they can be imported as PDF, as an image, or an HTML file. And another tool is Creately. So it also works on Windows, Mac operating system, and Android iOS. So using this, we can create flowcharts, UML, mockups, and visual files. This can be exported as a PDF file or as an image or a SVG, a scalable vector graphics. Like already, many of them are using Inkscape for exporting SVG files. And next, coming to this Xmind, so it also works with Windows, Mac operating system. So useful for creating mind mapping, business, charts, image, PDF, Word, and SVG. But coming here to Kaggle, so you can see the differences. It is a web-based. No need of downloading any software and installing it on our desktop. So it helps us to decrease the computer memory. There is no problem to our computer memory. No need of installing any additional software. It is a cloud-based one, and using the web-based version, using like our browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or the latest version of Internet Explorer 10 can be used for this Kaggle. And we can create flowcharts and process maps and other diagrams. And here you can see we can in the regular I think in the webinars, everyone is telling us about the different type of collaborative tools like Google Documents, like Google Slides or Google Sheets. So here also, using this Kaggle, we can collaborate. We can collaborate others. They can edit our mind mapping images. They can edit it, and they can comment, and they can do everything. So it is also free software. So what is the thing? So we are entering into how working with the Kaggle. So first, just type Kaggle, C-O-G-G-L-E in your Google Chrome. Automatically, you can see this first, the website will be opening, kaggle.it. Next, step 2, it asks a sign in. So we require a Google account or a Microsoft account for getting access to this mind mapping tool. Next, after going to the asking about the account, if you click on Google account, so it from the device already we are having our account is there. From that, you just click on our account. Automatically, it will ask the it will take the mail ID and followed by the password. It will be directing us to this site. So here you can see your mail ID, your name, created by you, shared with you, gallery, and create a diagram, upgrade now. So before that, in the first instance, when you enter, it shows an options like education, IT engineering, operations, product design, business, and others. So if you select education, in that the student, teacher, and administrator will be there. As we are all teachers, and some students are also there, they can select the students, and teachers can select the teachers option. Automatically, you can work with that. So these are the plans. So if you see the free version, we can create 3 private diagrams. Unlimited public diagrams are there. Real-time collaboration is there. Auto arrange of branches. Over 1600 beautiful icons. Unlimited image uploads and PDF and image download. We can share folders. But coming to the other plans, paid versions, there is no need of taking this paid version. Okay, so we can work. So for our classroom, free version is very useful. We can work with that. So now I am going to our task. So here automatically I entered into this that our Kaggle site. So now you can see the different icons here. So created by you, shared with you, gallery, and create diagram, upgrade now. If you click on upgrade now, you can see the plans. Now let us create a diagram. Click on create. And let us see the different icons over here. If you click here, the help, you can get the shortcut keys. So what are the shortcut? Several shortcut keys are available over here. So you can use of that, or else you can go on directly using this. And another here, if you see the top corner, that is a presentation. Next, you can share this Kaggle. You can import it. You can download this one. And you can also collaborate with others. And there is a timeline. So you can see at what minute what you have done to this mind mapping tool, and also you can see the comments also. When you click on this click to edit title, so you can see in the notes the plus symbol over here. So you can add branches, you can add super branches or sub branches like that. So if you click on this editor, again you are going to get text formatting. You can add any text, you can insert a link, you can insert or upload an image, or else you can search for icons. So now so the thing is that, so let us do one thing. Let us create a mind mapping tool for our class 8, the dotted blanket lesson. So I have to taken the images for that. So let us do for that. So first I wanted to upload an image. So here there are several let me again tell you. So this is the text formatting. So you can just type over here, and again, so you can just, when you click on this the text, you can change it into bold, you can change it into italics, whatever the style you like. And next you can increase the size of this box also. So this is the free space. This is the free space. You can move this to whatever area you wish. So this is the free hand tool. So you can move our presentation to whatever area you can like. So again, you can insert any link also. So if I want to take a link, so I have taken the dotted blanket. So this is a video. Just you copy this URL and just click this link. Automatically you can see the video also. They can insert the video also. So such type of more options are available over here. But coming to other mind mapping tools, you cannot insert any links or any URL. I am reviewing this one. You can add an image. Not only image, you can also add a text for that image also. I hope it is visible now. You can make it bold. You can add icons also. So here icon is not visible because I am now in the edit option. So when I come outside only, you can see the icon. So here dotted blanket. Okay. So you can see a plus symbol over here where you can add more branches.
చూసిన చాలా ఓల్డ్ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది.
So if you click again on this edit option, you just click, take a right click. Yes, so you can add label, you can undo or redo that. So here I want to take the characters. Kamala, Gopi, Amma, so we can add the name of the character for this. So he can, again, when you click right click, you can see, so add a branch, so drag to transplant, copy branch, delete a branch. So by clicking again on this itself, you can create sub branches. If you want to delete, just click here, delete branch. So I can just I can make it short or long by dragging. Here, you can take the boxes for it. You can choose the shape. You can take a like the same one or a rectangle. I want to add some notes for this Kamala. So she is a widow. Responsible person. Taking care of her mother. Coming to Gopi. So selfish. No time to write letters. Not taking care of his mother and sister. Coming to Amma. Loss of memory. Thinks about his son. Inquires about his well-being. So this is how we can add different notes. So we can also make our students to write, to prepare these mind maps for every lesson, starting from class 1 to 10, or already earlier in RMSA training also they have given us to prepare this graphic organizers. By using this tool, you can have multiple things. We can add images, we can add text, we can add links, we can also insert all the URL and also writing notes. So coming over here, so next after creating of just I have created a rough mind map over here. So after creating of this, if you just click on the present this Google, just you can see it is in a presentation mode. And if you want to share this one with others, if you click on share, actually for free version only 3 private diagrams are there to share with our friends, or with our the students can share with the teachers. Only 3 private diagrams. If you make it public, you can share with n number of participants, n number of persons. And you can also, if like our Narendra Reddy sir is already maintaining a blog, if you embed that one, you can also embed and post it in your blog post also. And coming here, you can see the timeline. So 2 minutes ago. So how it is. So if you want to remove, so this is the 2 minutes ago. So if you go to 3 minutes ago, see several differences you can notice. You can remove. You can check. You can also copy that one. You can also create a copy of this version. And if you want to collaborate with others, just click here. Already I have collaborated with my mail ID itself. Okay, so you can also export it. So here for exporting, you can download it as a PDF. So here it is, the PDF. Or else you can download it as an image, PNG image. You can save it. you can download it as also a plain text outline. So that is a text document. This is how you can create. And when you go back, already our created diagrams will be there over here. From that, again, you're going to get options like sending to others. You can create a copy of it, or else if you don't want to that diagram, if any private 3 diagrams are there, you can delete and you can again make more private diagrams, like 3 diagrams, and you can remove the next one. So to want to share our private diagrams with our near colleagues or our friends. And next, another feature available over here is that if you go to gallery, so in gallery, there are more, nearly 1600 mind maps are there. You can utilize them. You can make use of them. All these are the public diagrams itself. So let me select one. So here, this is a public diagram. So if you want to edit this, you can also edit and use for our classroom purpose. So just click on use and template. Use and template. So you can change, you can edit it now. You can change the image also. You can change the image also. So let us again go for an overview. So just first go to Google Chrome browser. Just click Kaggle. Then automatically it will there are login. Already if you are login, no need of logging again every time. Just go to this. So here, create diagram. Upgrade is there. Already I told you for upgrade, if you click on upgrade, so these are the different plans available for us. And also you can share. So how many share diagrams also you can see from the gallery also you can take. And also you can create a separate folder for all the class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can create folder. Like this, you can create folders. In this folder also, you can create the diagrams and also you can save over here. So this is the way of working with this Kaggle. If anybody is going to, okay, let me check. Okay. So Narendra Reddy sir.
Sir, Ravi Kumar.
Sir. Sir.
Are you concluding?
Any?
Yeah.
Yes. Any? Any doubts?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I would like to
So
invite.
I would like to add one other, I would like to add one thing. So this Kaggle is also available as a in the Google Play Store also. App is there.
Okay,
You can utilize the app also.
okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
So I kindly invite our participants. If you have any queries, please have an interaction with our Ravi Kumar sir.
Good afternoon, Ravi sir.
Sir, your
I have
audio
a
is
doubt.
not clear, sir. Audio is not clear, sir.
Venugopal sir, I think
Hello?
your connectivity is poor.
Sir, audio is
Okay.
not clear.
Wait.
Audio is not clear.
Are you now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, right, sir. Done.
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Using the time frame, you deleted some points.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Can we?
Sir, so this is the timeline, sir. This is the
Yeah,
timeline.
using the timeline.
Ah,
You
yes,
deleted
yes.
some points.
Yes.
Can we get back the deleted points again?
Yes, sir. See, when I go to 12 minutes time, so this is the one.
Okay.
So this is at the 12 minutes of time. So when I again go to the 9 minutes time, this is the one.
Okay. Now you deleted. First you deleted that. Delete one. Okay. At 9 minutes time, delete 1 point.
At 10 minutes. I deleted
Okay. You
one.
delete. Again, can you
Again-
get back that?
Yes, sir. Again, when you go down, here down option is there.
Okay.
So can you
okay.
see that 9 minutes time again it is getting added.
Yeah. So that means that this is very good.
Yeah. Even
Yes,
if
sir.
we
You
commit
can also-
mistake, we can get back.
So
Yeah,
here,
yes.
sir, for sharing also, now I am sharing this with Narendra Reddy, sir. Narendra NLG@gmail.com. So send. So first, automatically his name will be added over here.
Yeah.
So I am typing now my mail ID itself. For collaboration, we can just make them to just see or just to view that one. See here.
Yeah.
Yes, for collaborators, we can make them as the authors, or else we can
Okay.
read and create copies, or else just read only.
Okay.
So he can read and create copies. He can be author also. He can
Yeah.
become the author also.
Okay. Right, sir. Very nice. Excellent.
So
It's very
if you
useful
just
for us.
if you just utilize our lockdown period for just creating all our ELTA group members, if you know how to work on this tool, you can just create mind maps for all the lessons from class 6 to
Yes,
class 10.
exactly.
So we can share
exactly.
with each other. So you can
Thank you,
create.
thank you,
So
Ravi sir.
I tried with the different mind mapping tools, but this is the best one because we can add image, we can add a link, and we can also take these icons also, like smileys.
So many options are there. Very nice.
Yes. So one thing is that there is no need of downloading any software and installing in our computer. Just it is working with the web-based version. So just we need just any browser, web browser like a Chrome or Firefox or else Internet Explorer. Sir, any other?
Mamata ma'am in her hand.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir. Sir, actually, I think that I have told you in a very fast manner because of 40 minutes of time constraint. If you just say you go on exploring, you can do more, sir. Sir.
Mamata ma'am, Raju Bandi raised their hands.
Sir. Raju, sir. Mamata, madam.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, Raju sir, good afternoon, sir.
Hello, this is
sir.
this is Raju Bandi. Good afternoon, sir.
Sir.
Sir,
Sir,
it is
sir.
a wonderful session. So, am I audible to you?
Sir, you're audible, sir.
Go ahead.
Yeah. This is a wonderful session, sir. And I have heard this time only the Kagul, and
sir.
it is very much useful to create all the lessons mind map activities. So
Sir,
Hello viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it and do subscribe it.